So I went for this event and I really enjoyed the green peas that was, added to the meal. I decided to incorporate that into my diet. At least it's good to eat healthy, vegetables are good. And so I just got green peas, and what I just had to do was, melt the butter in a pan, and then I poured my green peas into the pan, after which I stirred and allowed to steam up for a while, and then you stir, and after this you can now go ahead to add in your spices. I added my grinded pepper. For me, using pepper, I don't think they used pepper in that event I went for, but I have a taste bud that loves pepper, no matter how little. So I added pepper, salt, and then seasoning cube. You could add other spices if you want to, and then I just stirred them together, and I stirred and stirred so that the whole ingredient I added could circulate through, and mix it very well. After mixing, left it for a while to stir. Then I put in a few spoons of apple cider vinegar, just to give it a twist in the taste. And then I chopped some big red pepper and stirred it in. These are sweet peppers, they are not spicy. Then to top it all, I added in chopped garlic. You could add in chopped garlic or grated garlic, and I stirred and left for some time to steam up under it, and then I combined with spaghetti and fish.